What's going on, Airplanes and Coffee? Russ Keith here. We're out here at Grand Prairie today for Airplanes and Coffee Fly-in. Man, we've got a crowd out here. It's been a great day so far. Hope y'all were here. If not, man, you missed a good one. Got this beautiful T-28 out here. Got a Beech 18 over here. And of course, if you've never been to the Grand Prairie Airport, it's got an awesome FBO. There's a restaurant inside, Radials, I believe is what it's called. And they do a great job, the Radio Cafe. Really good food. They really enjoy this place. So the Radio Cafe is a good place to come eat. And we'll take a little walk inside. Got a pretty nice crowd out here. Got quite a few airplanes that come in. A lot of Discovery flights going up right now. Got our coffee and donuts over here.
Absolutely. He'll kiss
Got
you.
Chewy's here.
Hi, Chewy.
Everybody knows this guy.
Yeah.
And of course, here's the Radio Cafe. They great food, so y'all come by and check this place out. Got Aviator Air in here. These guys have really helped us out today. I think they've got 3 planes going, doing Discovery flights for us. Got a Redbird simulator in here.
Do you have any questions so
Beautiful 195 over there. And of course, we got Mike Roberts out here, who is our ramp boss, helping park all these airplanes. I even have my son Russell working today. There's Joe. What's up, Joe? And there's Andrew Silver coming in his R22. Very cool. This is my son Russell, everybody. He's out here helping us park airplanes today. This is his first Airplanes and Coffee event. So Aviator Air is out here doing Discovery flight for us, and we've got a few other people like Wolf Pilot. He did a couple, but we've had 77 sign up for Discovery flights today. Big shout out to Aviator Air for stepping up. I think they've got 3 airplanes flying, taking care of these guys, and we really appreciate it. So I've got all these people back here just kind of hanging out, waiting their turn to get up in the air. So it's been a great day so far. Man, love Airplanes and Coffee. It's just so much fun. So where are you guys from? Chicago? What brings you to Texas?
Well, we live here now.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
So you going flying today?
Yeah.
So how'd you hear about Airplanes and Coffee?
Well, I was inquiring about flight lessons here at this particular flight school.
Here at Aviator Air?
Yes.
Oh, very cool. Very cool.
Aviator. Yes, and they told me about this event, so I decided to come and bring my kids
Awesome.
so we can check it out.
Well, I'm glad you guys are going to get an opportunity to go fly. You excited about it?
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks for coming out to Airplanes and Coffee.
Absolutely. Thank
Y'all
you for
have
having
a
us.
great day.
Thank you.
Fat Tired 180. Man, that is just too cool. I'm a fan. We don't always get gyros at Airplanes and Coffee, but every once in a while we do.
Move this Comanche.
I think they're going to sneak through here.
You're gonna go this way. Please turn that way.
just never know what's going to show up to Airplanes and Coffee. Man, so here's a cool airplane. I just think these things are I just love them. I've never flown one. Don't really know how they fly. I've heard a lot of really good things about them. But it is a Blanca Super Viking. I'm gonna flip this around and show y'all what's happening. So evidently this guy has several of them and he just kind of puts these things together and sells them. But he's got this one out here today at Airplanes and Coffee. Really a nice looking plane. So these are fabric airplanes, retractable. They've got quite a bit of horsepower. They will absolutely get up and go from what I understand. Let's see if it says what we have here. It's got 929 useful load. Well, I don't see on here what the specs are, but very cool airplane. Very cool airplane.